Ready to take control of your finances? Here's how to budget like a champ. First up, track your spending. List all your sources of income and keep a detailed record of your expenses. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet, whatever works for you. Now set your financial goals. Think short-term, like saving for a vacation, and long-term, like buying a house. Next, it's time to create a budget. Divide your income into categories and prioritize essential expenses like housing and food. Be realistic so you can stick to it. Got unnecessary expenses? Cut them. Look for savings on dining out or subscriptions. Coupons and discounts are your new best friends. Don't forget an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months of living expenses to avoid debt when life throws curveballs. Automate your savings. Set up regular transfers from checking to savings, making saving effortless. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Follow these steps and you'll be managing your money like a pro in no time.